Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is November the 9th, 2019. I just ran across this article right here talking about Bitcoin. And if always, we got your back. We will give you the news according to the charts and actually pinpoint and hold accountable the articles that we come across on a regular basis. Now, this one is about Bitcoin and how a key technical indicator is signaling that Bitcoin will hit $7,300. So let's go through this article real quick, and then like the video I did earlier today for Bitcoin, I'm going to show you the price chart and literally give you the news according to the charts. All right. So Bitcoin of lately had been traded within a range after that major move that we saw last week. Selling did come in yesterday, which can be expected if we've seen the market move up there towards that $9,500 level. But it did plummet somewhat in trading, trading as low as $9,000, back around $8,800 for support. Now, it's important to note, according to this article, that despite Bitcoin finding some support around its current price, there's a technical indicator, which we do not follow, and we suggest that no one else does the same. That may point to the possibility that the crypto will soon erase all of its recent gains and plummet back down towards $7,300. You might be wondering, what is this technical indicator? Well, this technical indicator is called GTI Vera, Convergence Divergence Indicator. It shows that Bitcoin is currently on the verge of shifting its recently established uptrend to a downtrend, meaning that further losses could be forthcoming. I wonder if this technical indicator predicted Bitcoin recent surge in price. It always comes after the fact of when things happen in price action for these technical indicators. It seems to be always lagging. So this is one reason why we do not focus on technical indicators. Now, this indicator, according to this article, is used to note when a trend shift occurs. The GTI Vera Convergence Divergence Indicator shows a narrowing gap between the signal and Vera lines, which suggests a trend change may be on the horizon. These are all clues that this article is not giving you a bias as to what direction they're expecting the market to go in Bitcoin. May, possible, could, are all indications that this article is not real confident in what's going to happen in Bitcoin. This is simply an article to spur clicks and to spur reading on this website, News BTC. I mean, it tells you even in the title of the article, may soon. Those are all hypotheticals. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. So why are they trying to emphasize that this is a key technical indicator when it can only give you a possible scenario? If it is so vital, if it's key to the price charts, then this article should be a little bit more conclusive as to what will happen in Bitcoin's price, rather than giving us some ifs, could, possible, may situations. So now, what we're going to do, which is our purpose, we have your backs. We're going to show you the price chart of Bitcoin. And here it is right here. We just did a video earlier today in Bitcoin, and you can tell already that our expectation in the market in Bitcoin is in fact lower prices. We are looking for the market in Bitcoin to give us some lower prices. Okay. Let's see. So now we are here looking at the weekly chart in Bitcoin. This week, last week, and then the week before that. All are indications of sellers entering the market. Let's take a look at Bitcoin monthly chart. There is still a lot of weakness present in Bitcoin. Now, that article was talking about that Bitcoin could come up to $7,300. So let's pinpoint that and see where that is. So it's right around here. If I get my... So are we going to go back down to $7,300? If anything, the market's going to try to find some support right there around 8,000. Okay. So that's where we're eyeing the market in Bitcoin to try to get to initially. But then again, we may actually hit that $7,300 as we continue to trade into the market. So this is the current area that we're eyeing Bitcoin to go. Okay. You guys can see right here that we're looking for the market in Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside in price. The price chart is telling us that. We're not showing you that. We're simply interpreting what the price bars and the volume means rather than give you some mays, possibles, and could be's. The only true indicator and key indicator that you need to use is already placed on the price chart. You guys can see that this chart is clean. You need to understand. You need to try to do this for yourselves so you can become a more proficient trader and as well as sentiment understanding as to what the market is actually trying to say. So even though that article is trying to pinpoint a continuation of movement lower in Bitcoin through one indicator, the price chart tells us that it is weak as well. That's what we follow. We don't follow indicators. We don't follow articles. We follow the price chart. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.